So good morning to everyone. So this is Nagul Dev, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering Technology. So today I am going to discuss about the topic of feed plate. So this word Q I have teased you in the stepwise procedure in your McCabe-Tele method for calculating the number of theoretical plates. So there I have given the example as Q as a boiling liquid or a saturated vapor. So now here I am just giving you the detailed explanation about your feed plate or feed line, that is Q. So we'll be having 5 types of feed type representing as A, B, C, D, E. Your A represents your cold fluid, which is Q greater than 1. Then saturated liquid, that is Q is equal to 1. Partially vapor, your 0 will be less than Q and less than 1. And saturated vapor, Q is equal to 0. And superheated vapor, Q will be less than the 0. Okay, wow. So this is a condition. If you are having a cold fluid, the intercept will be like this only. Your cold, that is your feed line from the XF. From the XF, you are going to draw the feed line and stating that what is the condition of your feed line. If suppose the question in the condition of the Q as given in the question as cold fluid, your intercept will be like this only, in this manner. And if you are having the B, that is saturated liquid, as I discussed in the previous topic, the saturated liquid indicates your boiling point, that will be comes under the straight line. From the XF, you are going to draw the straight line up to the leaf curve, that is your saturated liquid. And C, partially vapor na left side, then D, then E. So these are the conditions of the feed plate. And from this line, you can calculate your R. And the formula for calculating your capital R reflux ratio indicates, R indicates your reflux ratio, and for calculating your capital R, you have the formula as XD minus Y dash. And from the leaf, it indicates your Y dash, it indicates your X dash. And if you calculate your reflux ratio, you can easily calculate your minimum reflux ratio, that is your RM. So the question has been given as your minimum reflux will be some times of your reflux ratio. So for calculating your minimum reflux ratio, you have to calculate your reflux ratio. For calculating your reflux ratio, you have to understand the concept of the feed line, that is Q. So depending upon the stages of the Q line, depending upon the conditions of the Q line, you have to draw in your graph sheet, calculate your R, then calculate your RM, then calculate your intercept XD by R plus 1, and calculate your number of theoretical plates. Thank you.